Welcome back, duelists, to Duel Hub. In this video, I've got 2 of these 3-pack plus 1 foil card blister packs. Let's see how we do with these. These are distributed by the Fairfield Company. Let's jump right in. Let's try to keep the mystery card. Mystery. Okay. Let's see here. There's our 2 foil cards, and we got 6 of the Shadows in Valhalla booster packs. So let's see how these guys do for us. Alright, first pack. Twilight Ninja Jogan, Golden Bamboo Sword, Goddess Skuld's Oracle, Strike Ninja, and Al Shaddai Winda. Okay, second pack. Marmel Abyss Lead, Magic Partner, Urgent Ritual Art, Armor Ninjutsu Art of Alchemy, Wind Witch Ice Bell. Next pack. Akashic Magician, White Dragon Ninja, Goddess Earth's Verdict, Mist Valley Apex Avion, and Mistress of the Time Goddess. Shadows of Valhalla. Here is the 4th pack. Red Dragon Ninja, White Dragon Ninja, Goddess Earth's Verdict, Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo, Gateway to Chaos, nice. Okay, here's our next pack. Sure, if you guys like this video, to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This Mega Summon, Elemental Hero Neos, Upstart Golden Ninja, and Yellow Dragon Ninja. Okay, our last pack. Shadows of Valhalla, Akashic Magician, Valkyrie Driti, Elemental Hero Magma Neos, CYBERDARK Impact, and Ninja Grandmaster Saizo. Okay. time for our mystery foil cards. Here's from the first pack. It is a aquarium stage. Okay. And our second one is aquarium lighting. Alright. Well, there you go, folks. That was the video. Those are the 3-pack plus 1 foil card blister packs. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and if you're unsubscribed, make sure to subscribe to Dual Hub. And until the next one, this is Dual Hub signing off.